Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
With a 20% niacinamide serum, you must begin cautiously. Always patch test 24 hours before applying to your face to check sensitivity. After cleansing, dispense 2-3 drops onto slightly damp skin and gently press the serum across your cheeks, forehead, and chin, avoiding the eye area. Start use every other day for the first 2 weeks, then progress to once daily if no irritation appears. If burning or strong flushing occurs, stop use and consider diluting with moisturizer or consulting a skin professional. Layering matters. Do not combine a 20% niacinamide serum with strong AHA or BHAs in the same routine because pH conflicts can increase irritation. It pairs well with hydrating serums like hyaluronic acid and should be applied before moisturizer. Wait about 30 seconds after pressing it in to allow absorption. If you use retinol at night, either use niacinamide in the morning or wait 10 minutes between applying niacinamide and retinol at night to reduce potential sensitivity. Always finish daytime routines with a broad-spectrum SPF. Track results and follow safe storage. You can expect a visible reduction in redness and sebum control within 4 to 8 weeks, with poor texture benefits often noticeable around 8 to 12 weeks. If you experience persistent burning, widespread redness, swelling, or severe irritation, discontinue immediately and consult a dermatologist. Store your 20% niacinamide serum in a cool, dark place under 25 degrees C. Keep the dropper clean and use the product within 12 months after opening. For sensitive skin, dilute 2 parts moisturizer to 1 part serum until tolerance builds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.